In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel approved time off in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to My Info top left, and then from here you want to go to the Time Off tab, okay? So it should open up automatically. If it doesn't over here, just click on Time Off and you'll be on this tab. Now if you scroll down, you can see your upcoming time off, and this one over here has been approved for me, as you can see. And to actually cancel it, you want to click on the Edit button over here, and when you click on this Edit button, it's going to open up as a separate tab, like a window over here in the middle of your screen like this. And what you want to do here is simply click on cancel request at the bottom, and then whenever you do this, your request is going to be canceled. Okay, so that's going to essentially cancel your approved time off. You have to cancel the request by confirming it over here, and you'll see that you no longer will have the approved time off because you've successfully canceled it. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.